moving to the next item of work. The name is the plastering with cement mortar 1:4 for inside with waterproof compound. So here we need to do the plastering for the inside portion of the tank. So the inside portion we can look in the plan. So the whatever the inside rectangle you can see, so that for that rectangular portion the plastering has to be done. So in this rectangle, the rectangle consists of two large sides and two shorter sides. So the horizontal portion of the rectangle represents the higher dimension, whereas the vertical portion represents the lower dimension. Hence, the higher dimension of the wall is considered as long wall, and the shorter dimension of wall will be treated as short wall. So we are differentiating the interior surface with two different walls, one as long wall, other as short wall. As I said, you can see there are two number of long walls which are in the horizontal direction. So let us write the number as 2. Similarly, again there are two number of vertical walls which are acting in the vertical direction, which is of shorter dimension. Hence, you need to write the number of short walls as 2. Then, to take the length of the long wall, as we are doing for the inner surface, so the inner dimension itself will become the length. So the inner dimension is of 200 centimeter in the horizontal direction. So this itself will become the length for the long wall. So that is 2 meter. Then for the short wall, the inner dimension of the wall itself will become the length here. The dimension is 90 centimeter. So on dividing 90 with 100, you will get a value of 0.9. So the length of the short wall in terms of meter is 0.9. Then let us write the width. Here width represents the thickness of the plastering. There is a very small thickness which is given for the plastering portion. For that reason, the width of the wall will not be considered. We only do the plastering for the particular length as well as the height of the wall. So let us find the height now. The height of the wall is up to this. The total height is 30 plus 140. On adding 30 with 140, you will get a value of 170, which is in terms of centimeter. You divide 170 with 100, you will get a value of 1.7. For both the walls, the height of the wall are same, that is of 1.7 centimeter. Now, this gives you all the dimension. So, to find the final quantity, you have to multiply first three values. Let us multiply 2 with 1.7. So, on multiplying first three values, I get a value of 6.8. So, that gives a value for the first quantity for the first long wall. And then to find the quantity for the short wall, I need to multiply the second three values. That is 2 into 0.9 into 1.7. On multiplying these three values, I get a value of 3.06, which is expressed in terms of meter square. So now I got the quantity for the short wall. Once I got both the quantities, to find the final quantity, I need to add those two quantities. Let us find the total quantity by adding 6.8 with 3.06. On adding those two values, you get a value of 9.86. So this 9.86 meter square gives you the final quantity for the plastering with cement mortar 1:4. And that completes the fourth item of work. So now moving to the next, the sixth work is 20 mm cement plastering for the for the flooring in cement mortar 1:3. Here the plastering has to be done for the floor. For the floor means we have to consider this inner rectangle. For this inner rectangle, so this will become the length and this side will become the width. There is no depth within the floor because the floor thickness of the floor is very much less here. Hence here the depth, we will not get the depth. We only get the length and the width. So the length will be the higher dimension and the width will be the lower dimension. The higher dimension is 200 centimeter. This will become the length of the flooring here. That is 2 meter. Then the lower dimension is of 90 centimeter, that is the inner dimension. Now you convert 90 in terms of meter, you will get 0.9. As you are considering the whole portion as single unit, the number will be treated as 1. Now to find the quantity, I need to multiply all the three values. Let us multiply 1 into 2 into 0.9. That gives a value of 1.8. So 1.8 meter square gives you the final quantity for the cement plastering for the flooring portion. And then for the seventh, the item of worth, you need to find the 100 mm dia SW pipe and T for inlet and outlet. That means how many number of pipes you need to attach for this septic tank. See, this is the inlet portion and this is the outlet portion along the T section. So now the pipe we are using is only one pipe. The same pipe will go to the outlet portion. Hence, you will only get the number of pipe here. The number of pipe is 1. There is only single pipe which is connected for the inlet as well as the outlet. We won't consider the diameter. We will not get the length, width, depth. We only get the quantity in terms of numbers. So the final value is 1, which will be expressed in terms of numbers. Pipe will be always expressed in terms of numbers. Now moving to the next quantity. The next quantity is 50 mm dias CI vent pipe with coal for 2 meter height. So here in the figure you can see 50 mm dia ventilating pipe which is of 2 meter height. Again there is only one coal which is attached at the top of the roof here. Hence the number is of 1. We won't consider the length, width as well as depth. The final quantity will be expressed only in terms of numbers. Hence the final value is 1 number. Moving to the last quantity, iron footsteps of 16 mm dia bars. So now you have to count how many number of steps is provided within the septic tank. See, this horizontal line represents the iron foot. Now you need to count how many number of this much of line you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So within the figure you totally have 4 number of footsteps. Hence the number is 4. Again, this is the quantity for this item of work will be always found out in terms of numbers or will be calculated in terms of numbers. Hence the final quantity is 4 numbers. So this completes all the item of works which are given in the question, and that completes the detailed estimate.